Hey, what's up everybody? This is Johnny John. Thanks for watching my channel. Today I got some cool toys again. So let's check it out. So, in front of me are the Bakuren Oou from Bakure Sentai Abarenja, aka Blizzard Force Megazord from Power Rangers Dino Thunder. Haha, very cool, huh? So, it's pretty obvious that it's a recolored duplicate and redesigned from the original Abaren Oou. But let's check it out. So, this bigger one is the Karuno Ryutasu. It's called Carnozord in Power Rangers, and it's based on a dinosaur called Carnotaurus. Did I pronounce it right? I think so. Well, it's a T-Rex type of, dinosaur. And this one is the Cosmo Shieldon. It's a Chasmozord based on a Chasmosaurus. Did I pronounce it right? Yup. Very cool. So just like the original Abaren Oou, this Karuno Ryutasu, it's gonna form the legs and torso, head, and the left arm, the drill of the Megazord. The transformation is exactly the same with T-Rex of the Abaren Oou. And this one, the Chasmozord, is going to be the right arm plus the shield. Yep, that's it. But look at the design. I mean, yep, they put a, what do you call this, a fin? It's really cool. And the color, based on a blue with a little purplish pink, looks like a Blizzard type of, very cold, evil, dinosaur. And also, white and purplish color, it looks, and plus the silver, there's no temperature difference, but, if you touch it, just by looking at it, it looks cold. It came from the iceberg or something. So anyhow, let's transform these two to form the Bakuren Oou, okay? So, starting off with Karuno Ryutasu. I already did a video review for the Abaren Oou, so I think everybody knows. So, starting off with the leg. Let's straighten up first. Straighten it up. And then pop this part off. And then take the cap off. And then reattach it to the lower part. Do the same to the other side. Oops, sorry. Take off the cap. Pull this down. Clip it in like that. Okay, next. The front arm. Let's fold it in like that. Fold it in. And then this torso section, I like it, let's take this out. This is much easier. You see this? Rotate, and then rotate, and then snap it back in like that. So this is going to be the crotch. Okay, lower body done. Moving on to the upper body. Extend. I mean, you know what? You rotate this part and then snap it back in. And click it in. Open this part, and then you see the helmet, the head part of the Megazord. And then you see this? Rotate, clip it in, close the door. Haha. Okay. Let's attach the upper body to the lower body, and then okay, we're almost here. Get the Cosmo shield on. Flip the legs in like that. And then here's the joint here. Attach it right here. Haha. And then pull the arms down. So, easy transformation, huh? So this is the Bakuren Ooo Blizzard Force Megazord. Very easy. Because it's only formed with 2 Megazords. It's like forming the Abaren Oji. Remember? So let's get the Abaren Ooo. Haha. So this is the original. And this is the so this is the evil version. Cool, huh? Wow. I mean, you know, most of the parts are the same, but just recoloring and changing the face looks like a totally different Megazord here, huh? So, you know, in the original Japanese series, this guy only shows up in the movie. And then it shows up in the TV series, I think, in 1 episode. But that's it. So, you know, since it's just a clone parody. Right? So anyhow, there's some things you can play around with. So, since this is a, you know, a duplicate, recolored duplicate, so you can actually attach the pterodactyl if you have extra parts here. Let me try it on. I'd rather take this head parts off first. And then attach it here. And then click it in. Okay. Now here we go. You can attach the pterodactyl like that. Oh, and also I forgot. Like, you can take this part off, take the shield off, and take the tail off, and do the spear, just like the Abareon one. Sorry, you're supposed to do this first. And then the arm will show up, so you can actually do this thing. Haha, cool, huh? So let's compare it with the original. Okay, to be so accurate, you know, if you have two of them compared, you know, lined up like this, very cool. Nicely done. Haha. And also, in the movie series, what happened was like, since they have the same joint here, right? So, the T-Rex got his arm taken off, and then this Bakren Ooo actually stole his drill, and then haha did this thingy, double drill. Wow. This is actually cool, huh? Double drill. So, let's move on. There's another thing that I want to show you guys. There are some if you have other Bakuryus with you, there's a lot to play around with. So, let's do the pterodactyl thing again. And then okay, and put these back on. Okay, and also get the Kira Ooo with you. And I already did the transformation, so let's put them on the back so that he gets the wings. Haha! Cool, huh? So that is the okay, this will be, what do you call it? The flying Bakren Ooo. Okay. And then, just like the Kira Abaren Ooo, you can actually put the surfer. You can become the surfer. Just like the original Abaren Ooo. With the Stegosaurus. Haha. Check it out. So that is the Kira Bakuren Ooo. The surfer and the flying mode. Very cool, huh? Check it out. Wow. You know, if the color scheme is different, it looks like a different, totally different, you know, Megazord. Cool, huh? So, yeah, if you have the, you know, the toy line from Abarengo, Abarenja, if you have the toy line from the Abarenja series, you can do some cool stuff like this. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please press the button like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any comments or any recommendations for Super Sentai or Megazord toys, just leave a comment, please. So, until the next video, see you next time. Johnny John John.